I know you say, why is all these, they look like diamonds around this money? Well, because guess what? It's a precious gem that I'm saving this kind of money. So guess what? Look at that. And have that around this money. It's a great thing. It's a great celebration. And you know what? Another thing we're going to celebrate. I'm going to say celebrate. My name changed. I'm not the Income Ideas Hub anymore. I'm Sharon's Cash Envelopes and Beyond. So my name was similar to someone else, so I had to change my channel name. Like I said, I'm no longer the Income Idea Hub. I'm Sharon's Cash Envelopes and Beyond. Look at it. Look at it, precious. You say, why you doing that? Because I'm happy, because I'm saving. And I'm going to show you the envelopes. Still got them. Remember, still got the 1, 14, and then 40. They got different colors. I just decided to have different colors, but this is the spotlight money this time. But I also want to go over, while you just checking out those precious gems, I want to go over some things. 10 reasons to have cash envelopes and digital money in this modern day to save it. Okay? You said what? Yes. Number 1, budgeting made easy. I swear to you, ever since I've been doing this, the budgeting has been so, it seemed like it's just been simple. It's like money just come my way. I don't understand it, but that's what it seemed like. We're going to, I got my little book here, to mark it off. I'm going to mark it off, the amount, in a minute. But that's number 1. And number 2 is risk reduction. What I'm saying is you carry only cash mainly. I carried more cash than I ever have. And it seemed like I spend less, or I think, before I buy. So, and I stick to the budget. It's like, I don't really need that. I really need to get blah, blah, blah. Laundry detergent or whatever I need. So that's the second. And the third thing is, it really stops you from using the credit cards, because I don't use the credit cards as much since I've been doing this. Like I said, I'm doing the cash envelopes and the digital money. So I'm doing 2 things. I'm not doing, what everybody else doing and everything. So I'm just letting you know that. And then the other thing, the 4th thing, is that it just leads you to save more. Especially you doing the cash envelopes and then you doing the digital money. It's just like, whoa, I didn't know I could save that much. And it seemed like you could just save so much more. And the 5th thing is that you can monitor your habits of spending so much better since you're doing both. Even if you're just doing the cash envelopes alone, but it's even better since you're doing the digital. And number 6 is the technology of digital money. Sometimes, you don't want to have the physical cash, but having the digital cash and actually, doing transactions with the, putting the digital money in there and letting it grow with, a high yield interest savings account, and just, even saving even more money. Well, making more money on top of the money that you're saving, and that's a great thing. And then number 7 is apps that can help you make that digital money. I'm working on the digital part right now, but you can look at my previous videos and it show you what I'm doing as far as the digital and explain more about the digital. So that part of the digital about the websites that I'm using, the links that I'm using. Like I said, the channel link will be below for you to check out my other videos on that. But as far as the amount on my digital money right now, I'm working on it growing, so I don't have a total on that. Hopefully it'll be on my video for Thursday. If not, it's gonna be on my video for Saturday. So I'm still working on that so I could tell you my new total on that. And the security part, well, the money with the digital money is more secure because it's in the high yield savings, and it's more secure than having large monies of cash on you. So I'm gonna try to do the digital more, or do a combined, have so much and then put it in the bank, or do it that way to the security part of it. And number 9 is the rewards and the incentives, especially about the digital. It's so many rewards you could get, and then it's a part of your savings. And then it could be a part of, to help you combine with the cash envelope system that you got going on. So that's number 9. And before I get to number 10, let's do some counting here. That's 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Gems. 24, 25. We're going to mark it off. All right. I'm gonna put it in the envelope just a second. I'm going to put it back in the gem section. I want you to see, the big money on top. Like I said, my channel name has changed. I used to be the Income Ideas Hub, but I'm Sharon's Cash Envelope and Beyond. That is my new channel. Now, the 10th thing is global access. I mean, digital money could be accessed and used all over the world. And it's more flexible than the cash system. And that's the great thing about digital money. It's just right there. And like I said, worldwide, digital. You can't beat that. So there you go. There's my 10 reasons to combine the cash and the digital to the modern day of saving. Like I said, I just marked this off. You remember, like I say, if you check out my other videos, this is like 2 digital of 10, digital of 13. And I don't have any amounts on by digital. I'm working on the digital, the digital right now. And I will have at least on my Thursday video, if not on my Saturday video. So I just had the cash, the $25. I just went through that. And like I said, if you want to see the digital, how I do the digital money and how you could just, that road to 5,000, that's what I'm aiming at. In less than 90 days. I'm saying less than 90 days, this could be done with the digital and with the cash envelopes. Well, this is all I have right now because like I told you, I'm working on the digital money. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more.